Welcome to Power BI, your ultimate tool for data visualization and analytics. Let's dive into the layout of the Power BI workspace. At the heart of Power BI is the Canvas area. Here you can build stunning visualizations to bring your data to life. Simply drag and drop visualizations onto the canvas to create insightful reports and dashboards. Next, we have the data shelves. These are where you will find the building blocks of your visualizations. Drag fields from your dataset onto the values, axis, and legend shelves to define what you want to visualize and how to categorize it. Moving on to the side panels, we have everything you need to manage your data and formatting. The Fields panel gives you access to all your dataset fields, while the Visualizations panel lets you choose from a variety of visualization types. Use the Filter panel to focus on specific subsets of your data and the Format panel to customize the look and feel of your visualizations. With the Power BI workspace, you have the tools to uncover insights, tell compelling stories with your data, and make informed decisions. Start exploring today.